By definition, a motion picture is a series of pictures, projected onto a screen, creating the illusion of movement. By the 1800s humans had discovered photography, projection and motion. We just hadn't put them together. Then, in 1878 a guy called Edward Muybridge changed everything. He set up 24 cameras linked to tripwires to take photographs of a horse galloping. He developed and later projected the images onto a screen using his invention, the zoopraxiscope. The result was 2 seconds of movie history. Here it is, the first motion picture ever made.